What I'm going to show you now is the intense testing procedure which is done in McAlpine flexibles to see there is no leak in the flexible coil or connector in itself. Now you've seen the machine working and you've seen the process in putting both the socket and the spigot end on. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration. I'll take a 1.5 mil ordinary tack and push it through the connector. This connector will be then put back into place. This machine will now reject that connector because it's got a 1 millimeter hole. So everything that then goes out with McAlpine bag connectors, it is leak free.